After installing Nexentis, open the application from your desktop shortcut. When the login window appears, do not enter your password yet if this is your first time using the software. To set up your account, click Activate. The activation window will open. Enter the email address that was used when your Nexentis account was created. Then enter the activation code you received by email. Finally, choose a new password for your account. Once all fields are completed, click Activate. Nexentis will confirm that your account has been activated. Click OK to close the message. Your account is now ready to use. You will now return to the login screen. Enter your email address and the password you just created. You can also select Remember Me if you want Nexentis to remember your email address on this computer. Then click Login. After logging in, Nexentis will load your dashboard. From here, you can access your fabrication orders, follow-ups, notifications, NCR and RFI tools, and the main quality management features available with your plan. Your Nexentis account is now activated and ready to use. In the next video, we will go through the initial setup steps inside Nexentis.